Oh, yeah. Yeah, I've been eaten loads of times.
Harry! 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 Open!
Bad blood will out. What is it the boy's father did for Junior?
Nothing. He didn't work. He was unemployed.
And a drunk too, no doubt.
That's a lie.
What did you say?
My dad wasn't a drunk.
I think it's time you went to bed.
Be quiet, Vernon. You. Clean it up.
Harry Potter. Such an honor it is.
Who are you?
Dobby, sir. Dobby the house elf.
Not to be rude or anything, but this isn't a great time for me to have a house elf in my bed.